So let's dig into this. It comes with Ableton Live Lite, and it also comes with software called Twist and another one called Expand. Expand has been around since the Pro Tools days, early Pro Tools days. I actually really like the way that feels. It's got a nice feel to it. Actually feels quite similar to my Keystation 49. On the back here, you just have the standard on-off button, USB, and sustain pedal plug. No standard Midi jack or anything like that. So can't plug up any external Midi gear to this. It's just strictly a controller pitch bend. Yo, so all right, I got it all plugged up and installed, software installed. We got Ableton Live Lite that comes with it. It also comes with Expand. And then there is this one, which I'm just now getting hip to, is Twist by Soundbox. Which is like another like kind of synthesizer. Yeah, so it's pretty dope. Now, this thing auto maps and everything into Ableton Live. You have to go into the preferences and close this, and you have to go into Link and Midi, and you have to select it under Control Surface as the 4th gen Oxygen, and then make the input the Oxygen 49, then turn Remote and Track on. Make sure these two are on this little area right here. So that kind of gets you situated for that to be able to use it inside of Ableton. And now like all of my volumes work, you know, these sliders, they work to control the volumes on everything. So that's pretty cool. I can also use my transport controls for play, stop, record, and loop or whatever, which is really dope. And what's really cool is that I can use these knobs here as controls for my my plugins or whatever. So it just automatically kind of maps. You can see the volume moving there, glide moving, you know, little stuff like that. You know, each knob controls a different function on the plugin. So now these knobs become my controllers for being able to control different aspects of the software. All right, so I loaded up a kit really quick, just loaded up some sounds just out of my browser really quickly. But you can control the, you know, sounds and stuff all from here, which is really, really cool. They feel really good. They're velocity sensitive. So if I hit it, the harder I hit it, the harder I play. I haven't figured out how to make it full level just yet. I have to dig into the manual or whatever. It's no like, you know, direct way to do it. Maybe I could edit my velocity curve maybe, and that may help it. But just out the box, you know, it's pretty cool to have that. But I think a better function for these would probably be using them, especially in Ableton, would probably be just using them to control and launch scenes and things of that nature. So I probably could go into MIDI mode, hit here, yeah, and just map, you know, my different scenes, you know, to these different pads or what have you, and just use them to move through the different scenes. But just this controller in general is really, really good. What I will comment on is the feel. The feel of the keys, I really love it. They're quiet, they're not clacky, they feel really good. Whether you're playing some piano stuff, playing some synth stuff, it feels really, really good and can kind of handle that playability. The control is really good as well, because they have schemes that you can use inside of Logic Pro and different other DAWs. If you don't use Ableton per se, you can get a mapping scheme or program it yourself to work with any other DAW. So I would say overall, I mean, the price range on this 130 for, or I think we're in 129, 130 for the 49. You're talking 200 if you want if you want 20 more keys. But I would invest in the 61 because it feels really good. That's the thing that always sells me on a keyboard. But overall, I give this board an 8 out of 10 score. That it's probably really, really good, and really, for the price, the software you get with it, the functionality, and the feel. This is a really good keyboard and something I would definitely keep and hold inside my studio. All right, folks, I appreciate you hanging out, doing all those good things. I hope this video helped you. Hope it blessed you. Hope it gave you some insight. Do me a favor, hit the like button, the share button, leave a comment, tell me what you think about it, all that good stuff like that. If you're on a part of the family, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, all those good things like that. We'll look to see you guys on the next video. I'm out. Holla at your boy.